You won't believe that this vintage alarm clock is from Temu.
Okay, first impression. It's really well protected. Oh, it's double packaged. Hold on. Why is this packed better than half the stuff I order on Amazon? They say it's no ticking. Let's check. Okay, it really is silent. Metal body feels way more solid than I expected. The little night light is actually nice if you wake up in the dark. Now the real question, does it wake you up? Oh yeah, that would wake up any deep sleeper. Default text honestly for the price, 8/10. Great design, loud alarm, perfect for a vintage room. Tell in the comments what Temu product should I test next.